Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss a very important question from heights and distances. Here the question is the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. Question will be very clear with the help of this diagram. Suppose AB is a building here and CD is a tower and BD is ground. So try to understand the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. Here AB is building and CD is tower. So angle of elevation of this top of the building from the foot of the tower means this point D is 30 degree. So let us join A and D. It means this angle is 30 degree. And next, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, this is point C is top of the tower, from the foot of the building, B is foot of the building, is 60 degree. So this angle CBD is 60 degree, correct? And if the tower is 50 meter high, this tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. We have to find out AB. Clear? So in this solution, first of all, let us take right angle triangle CBD. In right angle triangle, in triangle CBD, tan of 60 degree is perpendicular CD by base BD. Let us suppose BD is equal to X. This is X, correct? And let us suppose AB is H. We have to find out H here, value of H. And you know tan 60 is equal to root 3. Root 3 is equal to CD by BD. CD is already given 50 meter and BD we have supposed this is X. So therefore X is equal to 50 by root 3. Or we can rationalize the denominator by multiplying numerator and denominator both by root 3. So X becomes 50 root 3 by 3. Now we'll take right angle triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, here tan of 30 degree, this is 30 degree. So tan of 30 degree is perpendicular AB by base BD. And you know tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to AB, we have supposed this is equal to H, and BD we have supposed this is equal to X. And here we have got value of X, which is 50 root 3 by 3. So we can put this value here. So H by X is 50 root 3 upon 3. So this becomes 3H by 50 root 3. Here root 3 will be cancelled out from both sides. So by cross multiplication, 3H is equal to 50 and H is equal to 50 by 3. This is equal to 16.66 meter. This is H. H means height of the building which was required here. So answer is 16.66 meter. This is the answer. Correct? I hope you have understood it. So students, in this way we can first of all understand the question. Secondly, we have to sketch a suitable diagram and then you try to solve it. You will get the answer very easily. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you will remain in touch with my videos so that you could get maximum benefit of these topics. Thank you. Thank you very much.